Thank you very much. My name is Guy Colborne. I had the great honor of leading the design team that designed the Apex AP-0. I'd just like to tell you a few things about the car. When you're designing a car, any car, you try and give it a character. That kind of pulls out and actually becomes the design theme. And we started off with this car with the character of a dragon. Dragon is a symbol of good fortune and wealth, and we felt that this was highly appropriate for this car. So we've started off giving the vehicle a dragon face, particularly the characteristic around the eyes of a dragon, which gave us these incredible lights, this expression at the front of the car. This is giving us also a level of technology. We coined this phrase, Cyber Dragon, the integration of technology and character. So the front of the car has this in spades. As we move back from these incredible lights into the side of the car, we put a technology into the car, which is rear view cameras, giving us these fins, which sweep back and give us incredible character on the side of the car, raising this area up. We've got this feeling throughout the car of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is an amazing, modern, lightweight material, giving us this incredible feeling of structure and integrity. But over this, we wrap a smooth, flowing form. You put these two things together, and again, the character starts to flow through. Car should engage, particularly a sports car, particularly something that we're trying to take an EV and say, EVs can be exciting. We've also got this core theme at the heart of Apex of connectivity. You're hearing a lot about autonomous vehicles. We put an autonomous system into a sports car, but not to take something away from the car. We've placed a LiDAR system as one of the primary systems for the autonomy. We place this at the center of the car, but instead of something that looks out of place, we've made it a feature of the vehicle. This idea of autonomy is followed through into the interior. So this connectivity, we've taken the idea of LiDAR and placed that into the interior as well. The connectivity of the driving experience. We've given the car a feet-up driving position like a Formula One car. This real difference of feeling inside the vehicle. You feel inside, integrated. The feet-up driving position also allows us to integrate underfloor aerodynamics, both of the front of the car and the rear. The car pushes itself down onto the road without having to put extraneous spoilers onto the vehicle. Connectivity also in the control systems in the car. We've mixed touchscreens with traditional systems on the steering wheel, traditional switchgear where you need it, but touchscreens where you want the technology. From the LiDAR, the challenge of this as a designer is how do you integrate something that may look out of place? So we settled on this idea of putting a structural fin through the car that connects the interior of the car in the structural tub, between the driver and the passenger, into the vehicle and flows out from the interior into the back of the car and flows backwards again. These ideas of flow and form and function and structure, absolutely the heart of what we believe a supercar should be. And as you run back, the car fin integrates with the back of the car to create this incredible, strong cross feeling at the back, which we've put, once again, taking the ideas of a technology fusion with the lighting into the back of the car with this very dramatic rear light. The light became such an important feature that we've made it our logo. So the AP-0 fuses these ideas together. Character, connectivity, and lightweight structure. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the AP-0 concept car. Thank you very much for watching. For everyone that's here, we'd like to bring you forward and show you the car, and we can answer your questions now. Thank you very much indeed.